Hi guys. This is Juliana again. And if you watched the video earlier, why I hate school and I can't make a lot of videos. So I'll just make a lot of videos today without animating because my hands hurt from drawing. So yeah, I'm just gonna speak today. Also, we're gonna talk about the YouTubers that I watch and a strange noise that I can make. Stay up until the end so you can see, so you can hear what I make sometimes. So when I was a child, like maybe five or four, I don't know. And yes, that was like 2017, and 2018 is like right now, and you know what that means? I'm still a kid, and I'm 7 years old. So yeah, this is the YouTubers I like when I was like 5 or 4, I don't know. And I always watch like Guava Juice and Alex Wasabi. Yeah, I know, they are like the best YouTubers. I don't know, maybe there's others. And and when I was like 7 years old now. Oh, and by the way, I'm also gonna talk about what I want when I wanted to be a YouTuber when I was young. Okay, got it? Okay. So the YouTubers I watch now animations is YouTubers that animate or make animations. So yeah, I'm gonna talk about them. And they're real cool, and I like their drawings. Their drawings are pretty cool and stylish. So this is the the YouTubers I watch now, like the Odd Ones Out. The Odd Ones Out, if you know him, sponsor him. He's pretty funny. And Jaden Animations at the Odd Ones Out Friends. And yeah, she is a girl. And I also watch who is that again? Oh yeah, Karina the Wolf and Fox the XD and XD. Well, I used to watch Fox the XD when I was like young, but I don't watch her now. I got sick of it. So I watch like Pick Kitty TV and Karina the Wolf, and I also watch the new channel that has already come out in 2017. 2018 earlier, which is Scott Pick TV. And I don't know why, but I think that Scott and Kitty in real life is like the boyfriend and girlfriend. I don't know. I just think about that because they collab so much in their videos. And also Scott 6 TV also makes videos about the kissing. So yeah, that's pretty gross. But romantic as well. Don't turn on the electric fan. And yes, it's raining. Ow. So yeah, those are the YouTubers I watch. And who's the YouTuber I also watch until now? Let me just think about it. Wait here, I'll think. Never mind guys, there's no YouTuber that I still watch today. Well, except Guava Juice, but I only watch him like sometimes when I'm bored, and the animation guys and the animation YouTubers haven't made some videos yet. So yeah. Oh! Now I remember it was cat. Oh gosh, I almost got struck by a lightning. You saw that, guys. That was pretty close to my face. So yeah. Why are you bringing the baby here?
We're going to sleep here.
Fine. But it's loud outside. I'll stay here, okay? Don't mind my noise. So yeah, it was Katsun, and she's the purple cat. She's the purple cat.
You're very noisy.
Stop it!
You go outside.
Yeah, no. This is the only quiet place that I can find to record, okay? So yeah, that's Katsun, and I only met her. I only met her like in 2018 because I haven't known her for a long time. So yeah. And also, this is the story when I wanted to be a YouTuber, okay? Okay, let's get it. So when I was like 7, or like right now I'm still 7, and I always wanted to be a YouTuber, but I watched a lot of YouTube videos and stop it. And I watched a lot of animations. I watch a lot of YouTube videos. Oh, and also shout out to Dan to the End. He's the awesome guy. Yeah. And I also play Roblox, and okay, let's not talk about that, okay? Dan CDM is the king of my heart. Okay, let's continue. So I wanted to be a YouTuber, but I didn't know what to use, what kind of thing I wanted. I always wanted. I was sometimes the shy kid. When I meet someone new, I'll be so shy, and I'll never talk to her or him. But when he or her or she talks to me, I'll be like, oh no. So I just snub my head. Okay, this is gonna be a long video. So, come on, I like me so like. What did I say? Okay. Now I didn't know what to use. I was the shy kid and also the art kid. I love to draw, and I wanted to do animations, but I also love Minecraft and Roblox. So yeah, I didn't know animation channel or gaming channel, so I can't pick one, and I just choose both. Okay guys, I don't have to laugh right now, but I'll do my noise later, okay? So this was like, so I started my YouTube channel and called my channel like Juliana Lorraine Hernandez. But my real name is actually Juliana Lorraine S. Hernandez. I have an S. And yes, S means Santa Ana. I knew that, Mommy. You didn't have to tell me. I already knew that. Look at me. So, yeah. So I started with a gaming channel, and then sometimes doing animation channel. But when I was editing the first gaming video, I was like, I was like filming and I was listening into it and my voice was like so mumbly. I didn't know what to do. So yeah, that's why my voice is also mumbly, but a little mumbly. I'm gonna post a video of the old channel and see how mumbly. Ow! Okay, maybe not. With my house and there it is. Okay, so yeah. So I stopped and I thought that when my voice was mumbly, no one can understand what I was talking about. So yeah, I stopped and when I was sometimes sleeping, I would think that I will never be a YouTuber. But this time, I tried to be a YouTuber for like 3 months. I mean 3 times, and I always messed up. But when I was watching Dan to the End, he was reading one of those comics and said comments, not comics. Sorry, Mom, I'm so annoying. And one of the comments said, Thank you, Dad. I wouldn't have started this YouTube channel without you." And I was like, "Yeah." And I was like, "I don't care. I need to get my YouTube dreams." So yeah, that's how I end up here. And also shout out to Dan Today, who's an awesome guy. I know I already said that, but I don't care. Who cares? So yeah, and oh gosh, I fell down my own house. That's what I can do. And okay, I'm gonna do the noise now. And please don't be like, and please don't say that I'm like a turkey or like a bird or I don't know. But I'm gonna do the noise outside because there's a baby sleeping here, my baby sister. So yeah, I'll just go outside. And please not bother me. Other noises. Oh come on, turn off the TV. Okay, I'll just. There you go. So this is the night. What is going on? Want some seeds? Okay. Here you go. So yeah, this is the noise. Please get ready because this is going to be a little annoying. I mean, no, not that. I messed up. I need some more saliva. Okay, here. What are you doing? So yeah, thumbs up for this video if you can do that noise too. Okay, bye. Seriously, bye.